Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instacart affiliate program for local grocery sales. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Instacart website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the link that says affiliates or affiliate program. Click on that link to be redirected to the affiliate program information page. Read through the details provided about the program. Familiarize yourself with the commission structure and benefits. Click on the Sign Up or Join Now button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Next, provide your website or social media links where you plan to promote Instacart. Add any additional information requested, such as your promotional methods. Review the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box affirming your understanding. Submit your application by clicking the designated button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Check your email inbox for any further instructions from Instacart. Once your application is approved, log back into your account. Access the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available promotional materials. Download any banners or links you plan to use. Start promoting Instacart through your chosen channels. Monitor your performance regularly in the affiliate dashboard. Stay updated with any program changes or new marketing materials. Engage with your audience to maximize conversions. With these steps completed, you're officially a member of the Instacart affiliate program, ready to earn commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.